Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Gemini, 8 sign. This is November bi-weekly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Gemini, 8 sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Maybe you're dealing with Libra here. So maybe you're dealing with Taurus. Under the deck, the Hierophant, King of Pentacles, Three of Cups, Eight of Swords, and Ace of Swords. Maybe some of you want clarity here. Maybe you want clarity from someone because you're feeling stuck, either in relationship or either in your career. Somewhere you're feeling stuck here. Maybe lots of you third party involved in this relationship. You want to focus on your money. You want to focus on your financial stability here. And for some, marriage is involved in this relationship, or marriage could be the issue here, or stability or commitment issues between you and your person, Gemini. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Four of Wands, Page of Pentacles, and Queen of Wands. I think in recent past, you offered stability, you offered or you invested a lot in this relationship, but your person offered very small, because Page of Pentacles is a very small offer. Yeah, they want you, but they don't offer marriage, or they don't offer stability. So that's why you finally took your power back and you want to be independent emotionally. That's why finally in recent past you took your power back, Gemini. Then present, Queen of Swords, Four of Cups, and Seven of Cups. So you decided to cut off this person from your life and you're setting boundaries here. Yes, you are missing them, but you are choosing yourself instead of them. Because a lot of confusion, they always putting in a lot of confusion. There is no clarity. Again, Seven of Cups, they are putting in some confusion. That's why you are taking control of the situation here. Then future, Ace of Cups, Six of Pentacles, and Justice. I think some brand new person is coming in your life. And for some, you are getting some help from someone, financial help here. And for some, someone is coming back for second chances here. Yeah, for some it could be a past person. For some, a brand new person is ready to offer marriage here, because Justice with the Ace of Cups, so they want to offer marriage. And for some, a past person returning for second chances. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So Gemini, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what is going between you and your person. Under the deck, Lovers, Gemini. Maybe you're dealing with, could be dealing with another Gemini. Strength, maybe you're dealing with Leo. Yeah, they do love you. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Maybe you both have age differences. Let's see their intentions also. Maybe you're dealing with Capricorn here. The Sun, Empress, Queen of Pentacles, and the Hangman. Your person is also stuck. They also have to make some decision here, but they can't right now. And they're thinking about you very positively, and they're thinking that you are their empress or emperor, but they also have no clarity here. Maybe they're juggling between you and their career, or you and their family here. So their current feelings, Page of Wands, Page of Cups and Six of Cups. Again, small offer, Page of Cups. Yeah, you are on their mind 24/7. They're thinking about you a lot because Six of Cups. And they're ready to offer Page of Cups, not King of Cups is here. That's why, yeah, it is a very small offer. Or for some, apologies coming. They want second chances here because they're obsessed with you. Because their intention, Seven of Cups, Devil and Ace of Swords. So they want to give clarity here. There is communication is coming, text is coming, but again your person is in some confusion. Maybe they have options here, still they are juggling to make decision here, but they are heavily obsessed with you. And for some, maybe this person is toxic for you guys. Be careful because see, this person very dominative, very obsessive. For some, this person is toxic for you uh, because they have so many options here. That's why they are offering Page of Cups, not King of Cups here. But again, communication is coming. They want second chance, but they don't want to offer stability here. So let's pull some cards from universe where this relationship is headed on. Yeah. Lots of you are in no contact right now. They're missing you. That's why they want to test the waters before coming towards you. Definitely they will text some message, or they will text you, or they will send some apology message to you. Yeah. Eventually they will change for you, but it will take time. Right now they're missing you. Then Wheel of Fortune, definitely it will take time. Then Knight of Pentacles. Eventually they will changing for you, but it will take time. Right now your person is obsessed with you, dominating. Okay. Wow. I think you have new opportunities for you. Definitely, Gemini, I'm seeing a bright future for you. Ace of Pentacles with the star. Maybe you're dealing with Aquarius here. Very positive outcome here. These two cards for you. Uh, New opportunities, new beginnings, financial stability, wish fulfillment for you. So let's see mutual energies and final outcome between you and your person. Definitely apology or some text is coming here, but lot of drama, lot of confusion still is here. But they're rushing to communicate with you, but you are at some crossroads. You don't know which decision you have to make because lot of drama is involved here. Yeah, it is slow moving. The connection between you and your person is very, very slow moving. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Gemini. All I want is you. Lot of abundance is coming. True love. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Gemini. Okay. Balance, spirituality and practicality, full moon in Pisces. Maybe you're dealing with Pisces here. So balance, spirituality and practicality. Don't let your past hold you back. So if you have any past baggage, this is the message for you. Just leave your baggage and just move on. And under the deck, bring love into the situation. New moon in Aquarius. Maybe you're dealing with Aquarius here. So bring love into the situation. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.